What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. The first part of this video you're going to see is from like 2 or 3 months ago. I think I had long hair at that point, and as you can see, it's all gone. So hopefully you stay and watch the video. We are going to be welding up this today, and it's not great, but you'll see how it turns out. So thanks for watching, clicking on the video. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe. It'll help the channel grow a little bit more, and we can find the time to put more videos out. So thanks for clicking. Enjoy. Good morning, everyone. It is I, Joe, again. Hunter, believe it or not. Wait a minute. Not here. Not here at all. He left again. He said he was going to be here maybe last week, but he's not here. So, I'm going to try and get a little bit of welding done on the car today. If you remember last week, we welded just that piece on. Little something to do. I just remembered, though, earlier today that this is way bigger than this one is. So I think we are actually going to have to cut this section off, or at least right here, and replace all of that, because this is all going to have to be new piping. I went and picked up one of these at AutoZone, a little 2 by 2.5 inch. That is going to help us replace this piece. We're going to take this wire. Man, we need to move this wire again. We're going to have to do something about that. But kind of replace it right here, because the new piping that we're going to have is a little bit thicker than what we have on there. So I'm going to take apart the header, and then I will take it over here, slice it in half, weld it up again, and from there I think we might be able to look at the B-bands and see if they're able to be put on there. That way we can take it apart after the burnout if the engine blows up, and we won't have to sawzall it and probably cut the radiator again. So let me work on taking that apart, which it'll take all of. Oh no, because I put a bolt on there, or a nut. Shoot. Okay, give me a second. Got it out. Come on now. There we go. There she is. All right, we need to cut it right here again, preferably in a straight line this time, right down. That way we can take this piece, kind of kick it out again. Yeah, I am just now starting.
So like we have to do stuff now?
You don't have to, because you don't do anything.
Yeah, you keep saying that. You just might hurt my feelings.
It's true.
Well, it doesn't hurt my feelings.
It's Kevin's.
Do you know if it's clean or not?
He's cleaning his clothes right now.
Right now? Whose car is that?
Can you stop asking questions?
No, I can't.
This room. They're playing Super Mario.
Yeah, but I didn't think she had that car.
Her other car's being worked on. Okay. Hunter's back, but he's not going to help.
I got her. We're good.
I bought a new adapter.
Why?
Because the piping we're using is bigger.
That was beautiful. Oh, it is, isn't it? This is Trout. She doesn't sponsor anything. Only costs money, but keeps us going. This is all for Trout.
She's so...
That was the freezer. We're good. Pay attention. Hey. Was it? Okay.
All right, so we got to cut this again. Boom. You guys remember, I'm not a great welder. This is what we welded last year, obviously. The inside of this one don't look too bad. But the part that we actually welded, lots of extra pieces in there. So maybe this year I'll learn not to burn right through it, and that'll help us. We are going to keep this though for extra parts, just to have. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. So this is not gonna work at all, actually. If I just left it there. Hold on. There you go. So I need to cut it probably that much angled down. Boom. Right? Kind of like around there. I think I know exactly where I need to cut it to. Let me make a mark real quick. Stop looking. No, it's already tacked. I don't need to look at it anymore. I'm just going to tack it a little bit more.
I thought you were saying stop singing. I was like, you
No, I said stop looking.
I'm gonna look. You do have a gap. Look at that.
I know you're not looking at that.
No. There's a gap. You can see the gap. Where it puts the light in the view. Here, do it again, Joe.
That's fine. You can see the light right there. It kept melting through on this.
Really?
Yeah. It's just
So what did you do? Pull back a little?
No, I just spot welded. Just kind of touched it. I did it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while. We've been a little busy. I got short hair now too also. But we need to get working on this girl. She is not running. She still has no exhaust. She has no turbo. She has nothing in it right now except she doesn't even have her dignity anymore. So I am going to try to actually work on this thing a little bit right now. I need to get the turbo, the exhaust melded. I need to get the turbo exhaust welded to the V-band that we're going to use so we can try and get the exhaust system taken apart instead of one piece like last time where I had to sawzall it and destroy the radiator, and we don't even know if the radiator works yet. So I'm going to try and take it apart real quick and let's try and get to the bones underneath this skin. She has been covered for about 2 months now. I know it's been a while since we've worked on the car, so I'm sorry about that, but let's get started. Look at that. Already cut myself. Look, Myrtle. I know you're upset we haven't worked on you, but you can't be doing this to me, alright? Now, being that it has been a while, I'm expecting a little bit of rust underneath this. Overall, I hope nothing is too terrible under here. We kind of left everything exposed and it started raining for a little while. But from first glance, it looks like everything is okay. So last time we took a video, I welded this up, and ooh, looks like we did leave it a little bit open there. As I was saying, last time I welded anything, it was this little piece right here, but we're not going to show you that because my welds still aren't great. I need to get the V-band. Still haven't gotten that. Let me get that real quick. Let's see, we got our brand new Terpski in here, but what I'm really looking for is our V-bands that we are going to use and put up against this exhaust. Now this is going to help us take apart the exhaust system later whenever our engine definitely blows up, because there's no way this thing is surviving more than like 7 pounds of boost, obviously. So that'll fit perfectly right here. The only thing that I was worried about is welding this to our exhaust system. Only because this is steel, this is aluminum, but you know what? There's nothing else to do but try it. So I'm going to get our little welding table here set up, and then I'll bring you back whenever I get that ready and we'll start welding. Alright guys, and obviously you know we like to Obviously, you guys know that we like to promote safety, so let's put on our welding shoes. You know, can't let the white Converse get dirty. Yeah. These have been well used in welding. Come on. There you go. These are what built Myrtle in the first place whenever we were at Hunter's mom's. So let's get this set up here, get y'all a good view of the action, and then we'll get welding. Guys, get your act together. Look at how low you are. Oh, there you guys are. All right, so we did weld. Okay, I can't say it's good welding, but you know, we did weld a little bit, and it looks like it did take. Now, there are no beads. It's putting metal to metal. That's all I care about. All I need is for this to work. No, I mean, look at her. She's a work in progress, all right? She is not the greatest, but she is ours, you know? So, I think I'm done for today. I know we haven't recorded much. I know I haven't done much on this channel recently, but I am going to try and get back into it. It's just been like super hot outside and I don't really want to do anything. But now that it's cooling down in the nice 90s during the day, should be able to get out here more often and get stuff done. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, please subscribe. It'll help the channel grow a little bit more. We are going to try and get to Cletus and Cars at some point again, but obviously we need a little time to work on the car. It is not ready to go at all. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.